Look who I'm with. Bruce Porter. Not just Bruce Porter, the Bruce Porter. Good to see you again, Bruce.
Better be easy with that.
We're at the Resource Center, of course. Now, you and I have talked about a lot of things, over the years. I don't know if we've touched on this one particularly, because people, I think, they don't know how it works. The importance of insurance when you're talking about financial planning.
Yeah, I mean, we get into that some. There were some changes made.
Always are.
With legislation a couple of years ago, and that really changed the way people are approaching estate planning. We do those workshops every month, and those questions have been coming up. So I thought it'd be good to do a show about the role of insurance when it comes to overall planning, and especially financial or estate planning. And when you consider what insurance is, it is protecting against risk.
Right.
Right?
Yeah.
And, we've been taught, and I've seen it in workshops, association workshops for years. How do you sell home insurance, car insurance, boats? The things that are important to people are what they insure. Your health, your life, right? Those types of things. When you buy a new home, first thing you're going to do is make sure you're properly insured.
Of course.
Right? Same way with a car. You retire, you buy a boat, first thing you're going to do is insure it, because you can't take the risk of something happening to it because you can't replace it.
Well, it's very odd, because when you talk about a home, especially if you're taking out a mortgage or a car or something, you're required to have insurance on that.
Right.
Nobody requires you to have insurance on you.
That's true.
Yeah.
So when you consider life insurance,
yes,
you're protecting the other people.
Right.
You're protecting that your wife can pay off the mortgage, that your wife can sustain a comfortable lifestyle because you're replacing her loss of income, So there's lots of different ways to look at insurance, but just overall, if you just categorize that as protecting risk, I think that helps people understand insurance a little bit better. Lord help us, deductibles are changing, premiums are going up, home insurance, we have storms every other day, it seems like. Those are the things that affect pricing of insurance.
Of course.
It's why insurance companies reevaluate for example, deductibles on your home insurance. A lot of companies are going to a percentage or a flat high deductible because they're tired of paying for the small claims.
Well, they're protecting themselves as well.
Insurance, I think, on property and casualty, when we consider the path that is on over the next few years, I think that eventually we're going to treat it like health insurance. The big gripe about health insurance is it's expensive.
Sure.
So what do people do to mitigate that? They raise their deductible and they say, well, I tell you what, Tom, if I get sick, I'm willing to pay for the small things. I want a catastrophic policy. So if I get some debilitating illness or if I'm hurt, then my insurance will cover the majority of the bills. But I'm going to cover the small stuff. I think our property and casualty insurance is headed that direction. Out of necessity, people are going to have higher deductibles to be able to afford the insurance at all.
Yeah. Well, I think I've done that personally. It's like, well, I'm going to have to up my deductible. I'm not worried about, okay, I need a flu shot or I need, so I'll pay for that.
Right.
I'm worried about, I'm in a hospital bed and I'm long term and I'm this and.
Yeah, and having a catastrophic policy to where you're not bankrupt because of an illness, that's what I think insurance is going to go to. A lot of people don't realize the impact of long-term care on your estate, on your loved ones, things like that. Care insurance is becoming more prevalent, and it's being treated the same way. High deductibles, having a policy that is going to basically pay X amount to supplement the loss of income that you're going to experience, things like that.
So this is just one little part of the whole package, and we probably need to talk about this a little more in the future
Yes,
too.
I think we should.
Because there are avenues, but for now, if people, they want to get a hold of you, want to talk to the folks at the Resource Center, how do they do this?
Call 882-1800. You can go on this QR code right here, and you can register for our workshops. It's a real good way to get introduced to our company. We provide simple solutions in a complex world. That's been our tagline for almost 25 years now.
He's done it for 25 years.
That's
He
right.
probably knows what he's doing. In other words, the Bruce Porter.
Good to see you.
Give him a call.